Yeah.
Mr. Speaker, Secretary, members of the body, thank you very much. Introduced by Darren Old Coyote, Chairman of Crow Tribal Executive Branch, a bill for an act entitled An Act to Amend the Crow Tribal Election Ordinance for Change in District Voter Registration. Legislative findings.
Need a motion to adopt. Motion by Gordon Milberg, second by Eric Bergegrell. Proceed.
Legislative findings. Whereas the Crow Tribal Legislature is vested with the power and duty to promulgate and adopt laws, resolutions, ordinances, codes, regulations, and guidelines in accordance with the 2001 Crow Constitution and federal laws pursuant to Article 5, Section 2A of the 2001 Constitution, and whereas the Crow Tribal Executive Branch is vested with the power and responsibility pursuant to Article 4, Section 3G of the Crow Tribal Constitution to enforce all laws, ordinances, resolutions, or guidelines passed by the legislature, providing for the levying of taxes and licensing of members and non-members for various purposes, and whereas Article 5, Section 1 and Article 6, Section 2 of the Crow Constitution provide that after the initial election of the legislature in 2001, the members of the legislative branch shall be elected in a duly adopted election ordinance, and whereas certain amendments need to be made to Title 21 elections of the Crow Law and Order Code governing Crow tribal elections, to ensure all elections are fair and ensure the secrecy and sanctity of the ballot, to provide for the district transfers time frame, to ensure accurate district registry book for the Crow tribal elections, and now therefore be it enacted as Crow tribal law by the Crow Tribal Legislative Branch in regular session. Section 1, that the amendments attached hereto and incorporated herein by reference are approved and shall be codified in the Crow Law and Order Code under Title I Elections, Crow Tribal Election Ordinance. Section 2, these amendments shall become effective immediately upon enactment by the Crow Tribal Legislative Branch and approval by the Chairman of the Executive Branch. Amendments to the Crow Tribal Election Ordinance. Section 1. Article 2, Section 2, Voter for District Legislative Elections. 1. Selecting a district. A member must vote in only one district during the primaries and general election day. Under no circumstances may a voter cast a ballot in more than one district for the same election. Members who wish to vote in an election must choose a district in which to vote by registering in that district. Registration forms must be submitted by the voter to the tribal secretary. 2. Timing of registration for new registrants. In order to vote in district legislative elections, eligible tribal members must register to vote in a particular district by completing a voter registration form. See Appendix A. Registration forms may be completed at any time up to 5 days before an election to permit the registration list to be printed and distributed to the polling places. Registration shall resume on election day, and enrolled members who register on election day shall be entitled to vote in that election. Registration forms will be available from the tribal secretary's office. 4. Changing district registration. A registered voter seeking to change the district in which he or she is registered may only do so by filing a change in district registration form during the time period beginning June 1 and ending September 30, beginning 2014, and every 4 years thereafter. A change in district form must be submitted by the voter to the tribal secretary.
Thank you. You have 30 minutes to present.
Thank you, Margaret. Again, Mr. Speaker, Secretary, members of the body. This amendment to the comprehensive tribal election ordinance was discussed with the legislative leadership prior to the chairman agreeing to introduce it. I think it is intended to address one of the more difficult issues and the more confusing ones that the Election Commission, the election staff, and the Secretary's office has had to deal with over the years in legislature elections, and that is voters changing their districts prior to elections. This was amended once before in 2005 to restrict the change to you get one free change, and then you can. After that, you can only change every 4 years. Some of that record keeping is difficult, and I think the experience has still been that voters will tend to flock to different districts just before the legislature elections, at least as far as I know, and the record keeping on when they last changed, the inability to change on election day, and things like that have all caused real headaches for the election staff, and maybe not the best representative, and the voters who end up registered in the districts may not be most representative of the people who actually reside in those districts for the long term. This amendment would instead make it very clear, and it's intended to occur in years when there's not an election and there's not any clear idea of who's going to be running, that voters can just on off election years every 4 years, as in 2014, they can change once every 4 years like that without any explanation, and everybody would be able to change this year if they wanted to. We spent quite a bit of time and had a really excellent committee meeting to flesh out some more details of this and some further amendments, but that is the background behind this proposed legislation. Again, it only affects changing